I'm trying. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome if you're new. I am ꨄThanks if you're new, and I do lifestyle videos. So today is Independence Day, so happy Independence Jamaica, and today I am going to be going to Carnival. However, I'm just showing you guys like a day in my life. So I started off this morning already, as you guys saw. So I'm sweaty, like real sweaty, but yeah, the battery for my camera died. That's why I kind of switched over to the phone's camera, so you'll see the difference in quality and all of that. So anyways, I'm gonna be heading out of my room now. Just finished the workout. I'm feeling great, and I'm gonna go see what's for breakfast. So one thing is ticked off my to-do list already for the day. So yes, we are gonna see what's for breakfast, and then let's see where the rest of the day takes us. After that, I need to find an outfit to go to Carnival. I never find nothing, but there's no set on my head. I need to wear my bucket hats because the hair don't comb, and I don't intend to comb it. So yes, that's what's happening today. Hey guys, I am ready to go down. Ignore the inner part of something here because I have to wear one hat, so this is what I chose. Take off this a little bit. Yeah, let me show you guys my outfit. My mirror won't clean, and now I keep clean. So this is it. I'm wearing this cropped, I call it soldier looking top. So the soldier looking top. I'm wearing my jeans and my Crocs, my black Crocs. Yeah, my nails want to paint over, but ain't no way I'm painting this right now. So I'm gonna see them here. Who cares? in a mood right now. I just want to go in my bed. No parking people and quick people in park yourself.
Oh, macaroni! Macaroni is coming out. Macaroni is coming tonight.
You need to be a part of your community, and therefore just come by the FPC road and get information. You can come place the
from around corner and LiQWYD from Hilltop. So the staff will come out for a bump. Let me see you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crofts' annual Donkey Carnival. Which this
Guys, I am home. It is currently 5:02 and we leave.
5:02?
Yeah.
No, okay,
So we have been there long. Like last year we never did on there for so long. We stay long this year. But yeah, it's 5:02
early last year.
and we bought chicken and what do you call it? Drumstick. I'm gonna buy Pepsi. We're going to eat now because we're hungry. We have been just drinking the juice and bonus me buy. That's all we have been drinking, and like Shani did buy popcorn and I ate some amount of it, but otherwise we never eat nothing else. So I'm gonna eat now. I'm hot. Honestly, that, oh my god. Showing out the measures we went through to get big TV. Like,
was a parade commander.
I know. Yeah.
You were here to see we are preparing for you after we take this parade.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.